Some football now. Kingston College have booked their place in the quarter-final round of the Issa Manning Cup after blanking Papine 5-0 at Jamaica College for their 5th straight win in Group C.
It was a game which saw two teams going into different directions. Kingston College were yet to concede a goal after 3 matches, and the Papine were yet to score after a similar amount of games. So it was expected that it would be one-way traffic, and Kingston College took the lead after 25 minutes. Jamon Barkley with the opener. With the Papine resistance broken, KC went for the 1-2 punch, which resulted in Christopher Pearson doubling the score 2 minutes later. Rajay Watson ensured that there was no coming back for Papine as he put the contest to bed in the 43rd minute. And for good measure, Devonte Walker made it 4-0 7 minutes into the second half before Nashorda Gibbs put the sheen on the victory 2 minutes from time. At the end of it all, Papine finished just how they started, yet to score, without a point, and sitting at the foot of the table. KC, with a perfect record after 4 matches, have accomplished their first goal of making it to the quarter-final round.
56 shots on target is not normal. And we probably, would have wanted a better ratio. But at least we are getting into the goal-scoring positions. At least we are creating a lot of chances. We probably just need to convert a bit more.
St. Catherine and Mona High kept up the chase for the group's second spot with victories. The Walker Cup champions beat Wolmer's 2-1. Ronaldo Redman gave St. Catherine an early lead with a 6th-minute breakthrough. Malachi Sterling pegged them back in the 11th minute as Wolmer's made it 1-1. However, St. Catherine found another gear to snatch the win through captain Joel Palmer, who scored in the 80th minute.
I think the first half we were very, very flat, but we still fought. We still fought for the first 45 minutes, but the second half we make some changes and it made a big difference. But it was a gutsy performance that gave us the victory today.
Mona had a 4-0 win over Clancarthy to move to 10 points, the same as St. Catherine, who have a game in hand and will play Kingston College on Monday. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.